everyone, this is the second video in my Eggless Brownie series where we explore different substitutes for eggs. Today let's make them using milk. For that, first in a pan take 76 gram of milk. Add 38 gram of castor sugar, 38 gram of brown sugar. Whisk everything together and heat until the sugar dissolves completely. You can find more without eggs brownie recipes on my channel. Now add 12 gram of cocoa powder and whisk well. This step enhances the cocoa flavor. Set it aside to cool. Now in a heat-proof bowl, add 100 gram of chopped dark chocolate, 58 gram of unsalted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of instant coffee powder, optional but recommended for depth of flavor. Melt this mixture in the microwave in 15 to 20 second intervals, stirring each time to prevent the chocolate from burning. Now pour the cooled cocoa milk mixture into the melted chocolate and mix well. Add 45 gram of whole wheat flour. You can use refined flour as well. A pinch of salt. Skip if using salted butter. Gently fold everything together until just combined. Now for baking, line a 5-inch square pan with a reusable baking sheet and pour in the brownie batter. For extra indulgence, top with dark chocolate chunk. Press them slightly so they melt into gooey chocolate pools when baked. Bake it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 14 to 16 minutes. The perfect fudgy brownie should leave some crumb on a toothpick when tested. See how beautifully our brownies have baked with a perfect crinkle top appearance. Let them cool completely before slicing. For cleaner cuts, refrigerate for an hour. Look at that fudgy texture and crinkly top. Hard to believe that these are made without eggs or refined flour. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon to never miss an upload. I'm Apurvi, sharing eggless recipes every week on Spoiled by Coco. See you next week with another delicious bake. Thank you for watching.